Hello guys, Degen here with an update on my channel. Now for those of you who have been asking me, and for those of you who have been following the Wonderland drama recently, you probably noticed that I've been live streaming a lot, that I haven't uploaded these bite-sized videos for your consumption. And I totally get that. Live streams are usually long, about an hour, 2 hours, sometimes 8 hours at the height of the drama. Now, I want you guys to know that I am not completely transitioning to a live stream format. Of course, I definitely care about all of you guys. I care about creating content for people who wants to consume the content on the go and they don't have the time to watch the whole hour-long live stream. I figure live streaming is a good way to interact with the community, to see what you guys are saying in real time as I present the information. Now, live streaming is not easy. I wake up about an hour or two early every single day to prepare my material, to read up on things, just so I can entertain you guys, to provide you guys with value, so you can spend your time with me in the most productive way. That is my goal. Now, am I going back to making bite-sized videos? You bet I am. Trust me, these bite-sized videos are coming. I have a lot of videos, a lot of ideas. Don't worry, I am going to go into other projects. Wonderland is not and should not be the only topic on this channel. So prepare yourselves. I will present you with some of these bite-sized videos coming back. And am I still going to live stream? Of course I am. Every day at the same exact time, I try to live stream for a single hour just so I can interact with all of you. Now, people may prefer one format to another. I try to accommodate both of you. Now, for those of you who are saying that the live stream content are too long, they don't have time to do it, well, I want to show you how you can consume the content a bit easier. So let's go to the channel. Now, this is a live stream I just had about Danny's AMA today. So when you click on any of these live stream videos, under the video description, I timestamped every single one of my live streams. So if you only are interested in a specific thing on the live stream that is being talked about on the live stream, you can just click on any of these and YouTube will take you to the relevant section and you only have to watch a few minutes of it. In a way, live streams are actually contains more content than bite-sized video. And it gives you a chance to see me goofing off or simping on people. That's just the nature of my stream. So if you are into that, please come to my stream every day. Please share. Oops, there's that video of me simping on Alice. Anyway, please share my channel. Help me spread the word. I really want to hit 10,000 subscribers. It's been my lifelong dream to hit 100,000 subscribers. So 10,000 is a giant step. Now, one of the other news I want to announce is that this is a new segment called Ask Degen Anything. This is a segment I created and I give you a public email, degendefiyt@gmail.com. You can email me about anything, literally anything. If you have questions about anything, not just blockchain, not just crypto, maybe about life. Now, I'm not saying I'm an expert about life. I'm just somebody who has gone through life quite a bit and have a bit of experience. So if you care about what my take are on certain situations in life, whether it's money, whether it's love, whether it's conflict resolving, let me know. Put it in the email me and I will talk about it on stream or on the video. I will always hide your name and email, so don't worry about that. They will be anonymous. So please send me an email at degendefiyt@gmail.com. Please, no shilling, no project promotion. I will not do any of those. I'll just ignore them. And no trolls, please. I know how much I like to troll, but this segment is for serious business. So with that said, look out for my next video. Please continue to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, come to the Discord. I am there every single day. And if you'd like to support me, you can donate to the super chat on my live stream or donate to me on Patreon. I look forward to see you guys and I look forward to create more contents for you guys. I love you all and have a great night.